What's up, everybody? It is the 4th day of September here in Western New York, and we're actually set up in the same field we hunted the other day. These birds have been feeding on a cut oat field right across this block from us, and they're flying right over here. So we're gonna be running traffic, and we're gonna try to get some birds in here. Either way, we're gonna be getting some shooting in. This is gonna be fun. This is my kind of hunting right here. What do you think, Brock?
I think they're in trouble.
I think they are too. We're running the most decoys we ran all year right now. We got all the silos and full bodies out. Got the blinds grassed up. Cameras in place. We're ready to rock and roll. Next thing you'll be seeing is flopping geese. Everything goes right. The guys right behind us just waylaid some birds, and we had 3 come in here, and we wiped them up. We mopped them up, so we're gonna keep cleaning up leftovers this morning, I think. Which isn't a bad thing. We'll see. We're keeping our eyes open. You guys ready?
Come on, Buck!
Oh, another flock! Another flock! Flock!
Three down, 3!
Well, we just had some serious action right there. What time is it, boys?
8:48.
8:48. We had 3 different flocks lock into the decoys over here and give us a look, and we almost wiped an entire flock up. And we got 2 bands for sure. We're still looking for birds out here. It just got good, folks. We're gonna stick around and see what else we can get after here. This is a blast. As you've seen, we ended up with a pretty good hunt this morning. I was pretty skeptical about it. Reason being, there was no geese hitting this field. This was totally trafficking birds here. The geese had been feeding in a field over on the other side of this block that actually got hunted this morning. And we'd been scouting this field and we knew that these birds were following right over this field, and we figured if we put enough decoys out here and worked them hard enough, we could at least get them close enough, get them over top of us where we could get at them. And it worked out great. You'd have thought some of these geese had been feeding here for 3 weeks. And we ended up killing 20 geese, and we got 2 bands to draw for here. Both bands came out of the same flock. So, Chaz, you got the
shells.
You got the shells. Stick them in a hat. Whoever gets the black shell and the green shell goes home with a band. We'll let Craig go first. Craig's got a band right off the get-go here. Who wants to go next?
I'm gonna go down the line.
Okay, Brock.
Green?
Yeah, you're looking for the green. Brock, once again, don't get the band. Chaz? Chaz, once again, don't get the band. If Zane gets 2 bands in a row. I got a band! Woo! Well, anyways, we had a blast. What do you guys think?
It's something special when you make the birds do something they didn't plan on doing when they woke up that morning.
Yep, we had a good time, and this was a heck of a fun holiday weekend. Now it's back to school for 2 of us and back to work for 3 of them. So we'll get on more birds soon, and I'll keep posting videos. Appreciate everybody watching. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more goose hunting action coming soon. Appreciate it.